Ready to level up your design skills and create anime logos so epic they'll make your friends' jaws drop? First, fire up Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Go ahead and set your dimensions and resolution. Next, select the text tool from the toolbar to add your logo's name or text. Choose a font that fits the anime aesthetic. Bolder fonts with sharp angles often work well. Now, let's add some flair. Right-click on the text layer in the Layers panel and choose Blending options inside this panel. Experiment with effects like stroke to add an outline, and play around with gradient overlay to apply a cool color gradient, giving it depth and visual interest. To further enhance your logo, let's add visual details. You can draw shapes using the shape tools in the toolbar such as rectangles, circles, or polygons to add more elements to the logo. Consider adding extra text, custom illustrations, or your logo's character name as well. Now, for the finishing touches, add any final details, adjust the colors, experiment with inner shadows and glows. Once you are satisfied, save your work and your awesome anime logo is complete. You can use it for anything, personal projects, or for friends. You did it. You've just created an awesome anime-inspired logo in Photoshop. Now, go forth and create. Don't forget to like and subscribe.